fastest way you can grow your hair in 2023. We're no longer going to procrastinate that again. We're going to start to put it to I pray and I hope that you pick one or two things from this video today that will help you on your hair growth journey. Be it relaxed or natural hair, it works perfectly for it. Now, whatever I'm going to say here today is a practical thing that I have done and that has worked for me and is still working for me. Just the simple truth, the honest truth is what I am here to share with you. Whatever you are doing or whatever you want to embark on or whatever you plan on doing, guys, let's learn to hand it back to God. Then you want to grow out your hair, then it will help you to start speaking positive things upon your hair. Our tongue is very powerful. It's one of the things that helped me. Appreciate your hair the way it is. Love it the way it is. My hair is lovely. Thank you, Father, for this beautiful hair you have given unto me. Then you start seeing all those things manifesting in your knowledge. Make research to grow your hair. For you to be watching me today or for you to be seeing my video today, it means that you have embarked on this second stage, trying to get knowledge. Learn about your hair. Hear from other people's experience. Key it into your own. Educate yourself on how to treat your hair. Educate yourself on how to care for your hair. Knowledge is power. YouTube is a place to start. Make research. The manipulation of your hair can cause you hair loss. Hey, that is number one error that I have been found a victim of. See me, story of my life. I love to style my natural hair. There is this, let's say, vibe it gives me when I style my hair and people say, hey Chine, your hair is. I love that kind of compliment. I don't like to go out with the same hairstyle that I went out today, tomorrow. It doesn't work for me. It was one of the things that damaged my hair. Combing it today, not the style I have today. I know that styling your hair requires you to frequently comb your hair. Requires you to frequently put tension on your hair. Thereby, the more you are enjoying the fact that you are styling your hair like this, like that, and people are appreciating it, you're losing your hair. Over manipulating your hair. The fourth on my list, for those of my sisters that likes canal weaving, that if their hair is not tightly braided, as in if it's not tightly braided like this, for them to be seeing their hair to be red, they have not done their hair or their hair is not beautiful. Please, it's not every hairstyle. Me, I will advise you, it's not every hairstyle that you will do. It's not a must that you do every hairstyle that is trending. I don't believe in that. You see that I've learned from, in order for you to learn from it. It's not every hairstyle I do. You can see these are my edges. My edges, they are intact, nothing. My edges are intact because I mind the kind of hairstyles I do. Their edges are gone due to tight braided hair. Be tight. You are aiming at growing your hair. Protect your hairstyles. One that will protect your hair. That is one of the things I stopped doing. And that brings me to my next point. Choose your hairstylist wisely. It's not everybody that's alone or everybody that is called hairstylist can understand your hair. Manage it properly. Then if you can do your hair yourself, that is a big bonus in our braids. It is a place that tangle. Instead of them to gently lose it or gently take it down, they will just hold your hair here and put the comb and draw it zoom and cut off that part. Then tomorrow you come and say, my hair is not growing, my hair is cutting, I don't know what is wrong with my hair. My hair remains at the same length. That is what is wrong with your hair. Find someone that will be doing your hair for you. Another thing I want to talk about is heat styling. For those that cannot do without hot comb, for those that cannot do without blow dryer, my advice to you is that you run away from such things. If I should tell you that since I started my hair journey, I have not used heat on this my hair, will you believe me? Yes, I have those things. Even if you are to do it at all, don't do it frequently. Do it once in a while, twice a year. Is I use heat protectants in order to protect your hair from the heat. if possible, avoid it entirely until you get your another important tips that I want to give to you. Your diet, food. See, my body is already sweeting me at the mention of food, because I love the best secret to hair growth is what enters through this. Remember that our hair is made of protein follicles. Remember, hair grows from the inside. Eat good food. I did not mean junk, so good food. Look at where I am compared to this. I drink water a lot. Even before I discovered all these things, I drink water a lot. I eat vegetable a lot. She get. So when I now discovered that this one, the help you to achieve your goal, I put my mind there. I said, being conscious of it, run away from stress, because stress too also aids in hair loss. Because when you are stressed, your hair follicles and everything, you start experiencing hair. There's another thing that is very important again, detangling your hair. See, how do I even stress? Don't always be in a hurry to quickly take down your hair, comb it, and start going to where you are going. No, you have to always use your hand to detangle your hair, to take down your either your cornrow, your boss braid. Do those things yourself. When you see that you have chance to do so, you do so. To grow your hair, you need patience. Very important. Hair doesn't grow overnight. It takes me 3 years, 3 good solid years to get to this length that I have. See, to get to this length. Look at it. Develop a regimen. Be consistent. Keep doing it until you start seeing results. It's because I've seen results that I kept doing it. It was even what motivated me to opening YouTube, so that I'm able to educate people. A realistic method that helped me to get to this level that I am today. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification so that YouTube can notify you each time. I also want to discuss is hair mask. Hair mask is very important to the hair. Take it from me. Take it from me. I've tried it, and see, just look at how healthy my hair is. Just look at it. Are you seeing? Are you seeing? See, look at how nourished my hair is. I never knew about this hair mask, hair treatment, and all those things, not until 2020 when I embarked on my hair growth journey. When I talk about hair mask, talk about avocado, banana hair mask, talk about avocado and rice hair mask. Can talk about fenugreek and black seed hair mask combined together, or even only fenugreek. You can also use it as a hair mask. Combining all these natural ingredients together, rub it on your hair. It facilitates hair growth. It helps you soften your hair. It helps you to manage your hair. It does a lot of things to your hair, to your scalp. Feed it. Use all these natural ingredients. It prevents hair loss. It prevents breakage. Yes. With deep conditioning, it strengthens your hair. What I'm trying to say in essence in that hair mask or deep conditioner is that it is very for you to retain length. This and more is what deep conditioning does. Massaging your hair. If I do, I think they suit me. So massage your hair is very, very important. Yes, massage your hair. Some say you use hair massager, some say you use hair brush. Me, I haven't tried that on my hands to massage my hair. Yes, do with what you can afford. But if you can afford it to go and buy it too. But at any given opportunity, your hand reach your hair. Just even if you're wearing a protective hairstyle, massage it. Comb your hair. As you're combing your hair, it's helping blood to circulate your hair. Yes, it's helping blood to circulate on your hair. Then another one, trim your hair. Yes, trim your hair if you have split ends. Trim your hair when you need to trim it. Not every time you go and trim your hair, you'll be losing your hair. To tell you the truth, I have not trimmed my hair before because I have not experienced split ends. So that is just the honest truth. I have not trimmed my hair before. and I'm praying not to trim the hair because I am looking for the hair. I'm looking for the hair. But if you have split ends, please trim it off so it doesn't affect the rest part of your hair. Thank you guys for staying with me till this moment. I really appreciate. If you've been with me to this very point, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification in order for you to be notified each time I upload a video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. That's the only way you encourage your girl to keep doing the things for you guys. And please share my videos so that others can learn from it. Leave me a comment in the comment section. If there's anything I've not mentioned, you can also mention it. Write it in the comment section. See, we learn from each other. Nobody is an island. I don't know it all. I'm only sharing my experience, with my realistic Nigerian girl experience. I'm sharing with you. So leave me a comment down there. Share your own experience also. You can also share with us what you have done to grow your hair this far. Thank you so much once again. Bye.